Oh, let's create, who knows, go get you a bowl and then go get some stuff out of the fridge. I don't know, maybe soy sauce? Who knows? This may take forever. Here we go. Oh, where'd you come from? Oh, it's honey and ginger and other things. What else did you need? What are you getting now? No idea. Maybe it's whatever that was. Okay. Maybe a glug or two of soy sauce. 5 or 6. And then think of something else. What were you getting? You're checking on your chicken tenders that you're frying. Got you some onions that you had to wash. And then slowly, laboriously cut them up so that they're smaller and you can eat them up better. Eat them up better, onions, and put them in that bowl. Go ahead, just throw them in that bowl. All of them. Don't leave any behind. Add some honey. And then get you some brown sugar. Don't bother getting a spoon. Just grab in there with your hand and get some. Same with the ginger. You don't care if there's a little bit of sugar on there. You use that ginger anyway. And then go do something else. Get a spoon so you could just mix all that together. Go mix it together and mix it. Mix it until it's mixed. Well, that was enough. Tastes okay. And then wash your hands because you licked your fingers. Nobody want that. Not even you. And this is for you. So you must really like you. Take your chicken tenders out and put them on a plate with some parchment paper, I guess. And then turn that eye off because those are done. And you will find the thermometer and realize that those are overdone. And that's fine. Did you put any of the garlic or where that? I don't know. Let's put some more. And once you get through putting the garlic, put a little bit of onion powder because you don't know if you put it in there or not. And I bet you don't either. But anyway, just dip those chickens in that sauce and eat it. It's good.